Bad credit can destroy your financial future, and one mistake with your credit card can follow you for years. Are you embarrassed about financial mistakes you made in the past? A lot of people are. If you watched the previous video about the 5 most common credit card mistakes and realized you made more than one, you are not alone. What matters most is what you decide to do starting today. In this video from Learn Finance and Investing, I'm going to show you how to rebuild your credit history from scratch by using a credit card the smart way. Because yes, you can recover and take back control of your financial future. Comment below if you're starting over and write this. This time I'll do it right. Before I explain how to rebuild your credit, you first need to understand what having bad credit means. Most people think bad credit simply means owing money, but it goes much deeper than that. Having bad credit is not only about debt. It also includes late payments, maxing out your cards, carrying balances too long, missing payments, and showing the system that you are financially inconsistent. When that happens, many people feel trapped and believe their financial future is over. There is a way to recover and start over, but it requires discipline, patience, and a strategy. Step 1. Identify the real reason behind the problem. Before applying for another credit card, stop and be honest with yourself. What actually caused your bad credit? Did you spend emotionally? Were you disorganized with payment dates? Did you believe minimum payments were enough? Did nobody ever teach you how credit cards truly work? This step is critical because rebuilding your credit without learning from your mistakes is like treating a wound without removing the infection first. Recognizing your mistakes is not weakness. It is maturity and responsibility. Write in the comments, what got me into financial trouble before? And what will I do differently this time? Step 2. Start over with a real strategy. Don't try to jump back into credit as if nothing happened. You need to rebuild from the ground up and strategically. Here are some of the best ways to restart your credit history. Secured credit cards. This is one of the safest ways to start over. You deposit money as collateral, for example $500 or $1,000, and the bank gives you a credit card with that same limit. The bank takes almost no risk, but you take responsibility. This card works just like a normal credit card. You use it responsibly, pay on time, and slowly rebuild your credit history through consistency and discipline. Credit rebuilding cards. Some banks offer products specifically designed for people with damaged credit. They may come with higher fees or interest rates, but they can become an opportunity to prove that your financial habits have changed. Become an authorized user on someone else's card. You can be added as an authorized user on the account of someone with excellent credit history and benefit from their positive payment history. This strategy can help, but it also requires caution. Only do this with someone trustworthy and with clear agreements. Step 3. Follow the new rules of the game. Now that you have access to credit again, you need to follow different rules. Rule number 1. Always pay before the due date. Even if you cannot pay the full balance every month, paying on time consistently already improves your credit history. Set reminders or automatic payments if necessary. Rule number 2. Only use 10% to 30% of your credit limit. If your credit card limit is $10,000, ideally you should only use between $1,000 and $3,000. This tells the credit system that you are disciplined and financially responsible. Rule number 3. Stop using credit cards for emotional spending or unplanned emergencies. Use your card only for expenses like gas, subscriptions, groceries, or bills. It is a financial tool, not a financial rescue plan. Rule number 4. Don't apply for multiple credit cards at the same time. Many people become desperate and try to rebuild credit quickly by opening several accounts. But too many applications in a short period can lower your score even more. Rule number 5. Stay consistent for at least 6 to 12 months. Do not expect your score to change overnight. Your financial behavior during that period is exactly what will begin opening new financial doors for you. If you made financial mistakes in the past, don't hide from them. Learn from them. Correct them. Grow from them. Your credit history is not your identity, but the financial habits you build from this moment forward can shape your future. Comment one word that defines your new mindset. Discipline, responsibility, change. Share this video with someone who feels like there's no hope left for their credit situation. I'll see you in the next video from Learn Finance and Investing. Let's build your financial freedom together.